Fonts play a huge role in web design. The right font can completely change how your website feels. Modern, elegant, or playful. Luckily, adding custom fonts in HTML and CSS is easier than you think. There are two main ways to do it, using hosted fonts like Google Fonts, or hosting your own font files with CSS. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's jump right in. Let's start with the simplest way, Google Fonts. Here's exactly how you do it. Browse or search for a font you like. For this demo, I'll use Enter. Now click on the font to open its page. On the right side, click on Get Font, then Get Embed Code. Google Fonts show you a code snippet. All you need to do is to copy these tags, paste it inside the head section, right above your CSS file, and now in your CSS, set the font family like this. And that's it. Your website is now using your chosen Google font. But what if you downloaded your own font and want full control? That's where Font Face comes in. Here is how it works. You place your font files inside a fonts folder, then declare them with Font Face. The source points to your font files, and font family is the name you will use in your CSS. The font display swap makes sure your text is still visible, even before the font loads. And by the way, you should preload your fonts for faster loading, especially for important ones like body text or headers. One more thing, if you are using modern variable fonts, you can load one single file that supports multiple weights, like this. This saves performance and lets you use many weights without multiple files. So that's how you add custom fonts in HTML and CSS, either with Google Fonts for quick setup or with Font Face if you are hosting fonts yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more web development tips, and let me know in the comments which font is your favorite one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.